let's dive into this explainer on a literal game changer for your DIY manicures. So, are you totally frustrated when you spend ages on false nails just for them to pop right off? Meet the Unigella False Nail Kit. It's basically a professional nail art supply stash right at home. What's wild here is the sheer volume. You get a massive 504 pieces in just one box. That is literally twice the amount you'd get in a regular standard pack. Talk about a crazy value. Plus, you get 12 distinct sizes. These clear, almond-shaped nails are designed to fit you absolutely perfectly. Every single sleek nail is neatly organized and labeled from size 0 all the way to 11. But what's the actual secret sauce making these stay on longer and apply so much easier? It's the pre-etched base. This completely eliminates that messy, tedious prep step we all honestly dread. See that frosted texture at the bottom of the nail? That right there is the pre-etched grip. Unlike a standard smooth base, this frosted texture grabs the glue instantly for totally rock-solid adhesion. Since it's already textured for you, you can completely skip the annoying step of buffing the inside. It makes your routine blazing fast. Just find your size, slap on some glue, and press. So, with 504 perfectly fitting pre-etched nails ready to rock, what masterpiece will you create today?